one of the best schools in Latvia.
Okay.
Mēs atrodamies ļoti skaistā Cēsu vietā, visaugstākā vietā.
Our school is situated on the highest point in Cēsis, and that is Zvirbuļkalns, or in translation, Sparrow Hill.
Lai arī mūsu tā vieta ir nosaukta Latvijas tāda necila putniņa vārdā, mēs savā ikdienas darbā cenšamies sasniegt teicamus rezultātus.
So this hill has got the name from a very ordinary, small Latvian word. Nevertheless, our school is always trying to achieve the best results in all spheres.
Varētu teikt, ka mēs esam skola ar ļoti senām kultūra vēsturiskām saknēm un tradīcijām, bet tajā pašā laikā mēs esam jauna skola.
Our school in general is with very long cultural and historical traditions, but at the same time we are a new school.
Un mums ir tā lielā laime un iespēja salīdzināt, jo mēs esam atzimuši vienā laikā ar mūsu Latvijas valsti, un tā atšķirība ir tikai 20 dienās.
And so we are really very happy that we have this possibility to compare, because our school was born not only, but almost at the same time as our renewed state was born, and the difference is only 20 days.
Un lai arī mēs ļoti lepojamies un priecājamies par visiem panākumiem mūsu valstī, kādreiz mums šķiet, ka mēs esam sasnieguši šajos 22 gados vairāk nekā mūsu valsts.
And so we are always very proud of everything that our country has achieved. Sometimes we think that our school in these 22 years has achieved even more.
Mēs esam tikai 2 skolas Latvijā, kas ir izveidojušās Latvijai sasniedzot neatkarību.
There are only 2 schools in Latvia which were formed just with the foundation of the new independent state of Latvia, that is after the years of Soviet time.
Jā, un patiesībā mēs šajos 22 gados esam ļoti izauguši un patiesībā izveidojušies par skolu, jo tad, kad jūs staigāsiet, tad jūs redzēsiet, ka šī ēka, kurā ir skola izvietota, nemaz nav nec sākumā paredzēta skolai, nec piemērota skolai.
And during those 22 years we have really grown and developed, and when you will be walking around the school later, you will see, and you will be this possibility to see how the school has developed, because this building wasn't meant to be a school, it was a kindergarten.
That's why
Yeah.
Es kā skolas direktori ļoti lepojos ar saviem skolotājiem, kuri ir ļoti strādīgi, ļoti vispusīgi, prot ļoti labi sadarboties ar skolēniem, un, protams, ka es ļoti lepojos ar saviem skolēniem, kuri ir mērķiecīgi jauni cilvēki un labi zina, ko viņi savā dzīvē grib sasniegt.
I'm very proud of my teachers who are very hardworking, can cooperate in their work with students, and I'm very proud of my students who are very ambitious young people and who know what they want to achieve in their lives.
Un es priecāšos, ja mums būs iespēja satikties gan ar mūsu skolotājiem, gan ar mūsu skolēniem, un es ļoti ceru, ka to labāko, kas mūsu skolā ir, viņiem noteikti parādīs un pastāstīs.
I hope you will have many possibilities to meet our teachers and students, and I hope that you will really gain much from what they will tell you and show you.
Mūsu skola regulāri sadarbojas dažādos starptautiskos projektos. Mums ir arī pastāvīgi sadarbības partneri ārzemēs, bet mēs vienmēr esam priecīgi, ja šis sadarbības partneru loks paplašinās. Un šoreiz tie esat jūs, ar kuriem mums ir tas prieks un gods sadarboties.
We are very active in cooperating with other countries. We have really permanent partners, and I'm very glad to see you here, our new partners, and I hope for a very nice future cooperation.
Un jūs ļoti gaidot, mums arī pat laiks ir uzlabojies, un šodien ir plus 11 grādi, tas nozīmē, ka ir siltāks, un es ceru, ka jums nevienam nebūs augsti.
And looking forward to your visit, even the weather has improved. I don't know what Italian, Spanish people so think about it, because 11 plus 11, it's very nice for us at this time of the year.
Es jums patiešām no sirds novēlu šeit iegūt jaunu pieredzi, satikt sadarbības partnerus, varbūt, ka iemantot draugus, arī labi atpūsties un aizvest vislabākās domas un iegūmus no mūsu skolas un no mūsu Latvijas.
From all my heart, I really wish you a very good work, stay here, gaining new partners, also new friends, good memories from your stay here, and something more. Everything the best.
Lai jums ir šīs dienas skaistas sesijas Latvijā un mūsu skolā.
I wish you really very nice days during your stay here and in Latvia and in Cēsis and our school.
Un nestoties uz to, ka jūs esat visi aplokastojuši, es jūs aicinu tomēr nobaudīt skolas kafiju un mūsu saldumiņus.
Even though you have had your breakfast, I still invite you for some coffee and school coffee and sweets.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Inscription, walking hand in hand, can take us to Fairyland.
She understands.
Okay.
She doesn't speak.
Okay. And this is also the school. This is the letter that our headmistress wrote with a translation. I don't know.
In English,
what to read it. Yeah, in English translation. Yeah, it's in English. I don't know if you want to read it or not. Okay.
Dear hosts, I'm writing these lines to thank you. During which I'm sure you will plan a lot of interesting activities to develop in the next 2 years. I'm proud that our school represents Italy in this multilateral project about human rights with a special focus on the rights to diversities, a necessary and fundamental characteristic of our modern society. Looking forward to receiving in Italy soon. I wish you all good job. Best regards. Best regards. It was really with all
This is from our school to your school.
Plate with the sign possible symbol. It is the symbol of our city.
She
And it is the boat of our boys, you know the story about
mazākie nopelni, bet es saņemu skaistus dāvanas.
My
Paldies!
contribution is this project is the smallest, but thank you for very nice presents.
Thank you, thank you. Nu, lai jums labdienas.
Good luck.
Un tagad par skolas dzīvi pastāstīs mums ir pulcējusies viena daļa projekta dalībnieku, un viņi pastāstīs par jauku skolēnu dzīvi šeit.
Our students will tell about school life.
Un pēc tam būs par skolotāju dzīvi skolā un par mācīšanos.
And then about studies at school.
Hello, we are students from the school, obviously. We are from the 10th grade, but we call it the 3rd grade, the 3rd B grade. So, my name is Adela.
My name is Jax.
My name is Linda. My name is Ramona. My name is Laura. My name is Laina.
My name is Afros.
And we are going to tell you about our school traditions.
Early September, we have the active sport day.
Then we have interesting races and we can do other activities. In the end, we play beach volleyball. We have Teachers Day at school on the first Friday in October. Students from 12 classes teach other classes, while teachers having the interesting activities and then they can relax.
Each year, 7th graders and 10th graders have to go through an initiation, as I call it. It's a week where we have to dress up as something every day. So as you can see, some of us look quite strange. But it's because today's topic is looking like old women. And yeah, we are going through the initiation at the moment. And so the week goes every day like dressing up as something. And on the last day we have some challenges to do. Usually it goes as teamwork and it's a lot of fun. Like, the 11th of November is a quite important national holiday for Latvians. And they have a tradition to go with torches or candles, respecting our warriors. So also our school organizes that we all go together with candles.
And every winter we have Christmas market where students sells homemade things like pancakes, waffles, or some kind of accessories. And after that we have Christmas ball. And I really like our Christmas balls because everyone is nicely dressed up. And at the beginning of the ball there's a live music where students is singing and playing musical instruments. And after that we have DJ and he plays different kind of music styles like pop, hip hop and so on. And we have also like beautiful place or wall and we can go there and there will be a person who will take our picture and after that we can take the picture and I think it's a great memory for the day.
Every year, our new students invite one of their favorite teacher from previous school. As you can see, they give them flowers. Every 2 years, we have an aerobic competition.
In every April, we have a tradition, not in our school, but in whole Latvia, when we went outside and made the Latvia cleaner. As you can see in those fabulous yellow bags, we have any kind of garbages which found around here. So we get them in those bags and hand in those points when the bags are collected and counted. And we have a last bell day where 9th graders and 12th graders are stop learning and start preparing for their exams.
In last spring, we joined our hands in a circle around the school to symbolize a peaceful political demonstration that happened in 1989 when our three Baltic countries tried to eliminate Nazi and that their independence.
place where all the students and teachers are celebrating the school's anniversary. It's like a tradition for us because every year we celebrate our school's anniversary right there. There we have got a lot of activities, and basically it's like a sports day, but it takes much more longer time. And there have been even cases when we spent night in tents, and it's very exciting. Our school has visited many politicians and poets, and one that has stayed in my mind was in this year, the beginning of September. Our school visited the Minister of Education, Robert Steeves. He is like a star in politics because he is well educated. He graduated Cambridge University, and now he is planning to make a lot of reforms in our country in the education. And he introduced us with the changes that he is planning to make, and he told us what he thinks is that he is success, and also he made a lot of promises for us. National projects. I think I don't have to tell you about this religious project because I just know about it on the line. So I'll tell you about the University Island. Our school has got a
Thank you very much.
Anita. She's an English teacher in this school, and she also is a very excellent, perfect, nice leader of all English teachers from Cēsis region. What did you say about me? I forgot. Yeah, that's all.
Un pieredze projektu darbā tev ir ļoti
And
laba.
I have very big experience in project work. And by the way, very big experience at school as well. In years, I will not better say how long it is.
Tā, un es esmu Laima, un es esmu šīs skolas mācību direktors vietniece izglītības darbā, un atbildu arī par projektu darbu. Un būšu atbildīga projektā par visiem organizatoriskiem jautājumiem un naudas maksu.
I am Laima. I'm the deputy head of this school, and I'm also working as a person responsible for projects. And during this project, I will be responsible for all organizational part.
Un par projektu
Sorry, and she didn't say that she is a teacher of Latvian and literature and
I start with because I speak in English without and when and all other small letters.
study business administration, hotel management, tourism in general, and computers. This is our school. Its architecture is the architecture by some certain rules, because all villages around the billion have to follow certain architectural rules. You are going to see for yourself. How old is our school? We moved to our school in
12 years.
yeah. But the students pay with themselves. We try to keep very clean and communities ourselves because it doesn't.
Teachers, pupils, and parents came and painted all to remove to not to the How many teachers? 22.
This is the view from our school, our main. The first day before the students came to school, that we prepared the poster. It was only teachers because students were not there.
To attract the attention of children. But you had a very good idea, Graziella.
Yeah.
Very good idea.
What I did was the first day I stuck on the main entrance some posters which said ready, steady, Comenius, and another poster with all the flags of the countries participating in the project. The second day I stuck posters all over the school with Comenius time, and what was the other one? There was a map of Europe with all the smiles on the countries.
The flag.
And the third day there was a big poster saying walking hand in hand can take us to fairyland, with children hand in hand, holding hands, and with a rainbow which says stand up for your rights, ask your teachers for information. And in fact this stimulated the interest of students. So like, what is Comenius? What is this project about? So they kept on asking the first 3 days, and then on the second week I explained to everyone, but especially to the classes interested in the project, what the project was about.
So she did a great job.
It worked.
Yes,
It worked.
yes, you can imagine.
So we just did this thing, and now we expect this.
Say at first that 12 pupils will travel, and we'll see if more. It depends on what I said.
So here is our group actually.
Yeah,
all
no,
the people that have
next
have
photo,
applied.
next
Yeah.
photo. The entrance of our school.
Yeah, and here is
Yes.
something like a kiosk we have. You see what clothes we are wearing in Greece?
One day before we go.
I have a question.
Do you have heating system and ski slopes also?
Do you know what is winter?
Yeah, sure. That one.
Poland, but a little bit different from the others maybe you've seen before. It's made by one of our students who finished our school. He's already a student at university, and it was done 1 year ago. But we like it so much that we decided to show you. Okay? I won't say anything because everything is in English and you have to read it. And it's Poland is presented in a little bit funny way, I may say. Okay? With a sense of humor, okay?
zeti, ko? Kas ir dore? Aivar.
Sorry?
Greek name.
Yeah, I know. I have one guy from Cyprus, I know.
Oh,
His
really?
name is Ioannis, but anyway, spelling is Yannis.
Yeah.
So, and I am export project manager here in Doris Fabric. So, and you are?
From Italy.
From Italy.
Spain.
Oh,
Poland. Greece.
International group. All right. So, do you know where you are?
In Latvia.
And then?
No páseme esto, chicas. Vale. Another? Another? Vale. Yo normalmente voté, pero es que...
Vale, tú avisas.
Es difícil.
Venga.
Vale. No, tú avises, ¿no? Vale, sí.